Hello everyone, welcome to the mathematics class and I am Sandeep Jaiswal. This video is for class 10th students. Today's topic is a relationship between zeros and coefficients of a polynomial. For the discussion over the topic, let us take a quadratic polynomial, that is px equals to ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are any real numbers. I hope you all know about the quadratic polynomial. Also, we have discussed it in the previous video, so you can go and check it there. Now, if we see the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant term. And let alpha and beta be the zeros of the given polynomial px equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Then we have the following relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial, that is sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a, or we can say sum of zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square, and product of zeros is equal to c by a, or equals to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Or since alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, so we can write alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Now let us verify the above relation using an example. Px is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 6. Here we will factorize the polynomial to get the zeros of the polynomial. I hope you all know how to factorize the quadratic polynomial. If you have any confusion about how to factorize a polynomial, you can refer to my video in which I have explained about the factorization of polynomial. To factorize 2x square minus 8x plus 6, we have to split 8x in such a way that the product of the numbers obtained should be equal to the product of 2 and 6, that is 12, and the sum of the numbers obtained should be equal to minus 8. So here the required two numbers are minus 6 and minus 2. Therefore, the polynomial becomes 2x square minus 6x minus 2x plus 6. Now we will take the common factors out from the terms here. So in the first two terms, 2x is the common factor. So we can take 2x common. So 2x in bracket x minus 3 minus, in the next two terms 2 is common, so we will take 2 common, so in bracket we get x minus 3. Now taking x minus 3 common from the two terms, we get 2x minus 2 in one bracket and x minus 3 in other bracket. Again 2 is a common factor here, so taking 2 common, we get 2 in bracket x minus 1 and x minus 3 in other bracket. Now let px is equal to 2x square minus 8x plus 6 equals to 0. Then 2x minus 1, x minus 3 will be equal to 0. Or we can say x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. This gives x equals to 1 or x equals to 3. So the zeros of 2x square minus 8x plus 6 are 1 and 3. Also, if we compare the given polynomial with ax square plus bx plus c, we observe that a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 8 and c is equal to 6. Now observe that sum of zeros is equal to 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4, and this 4 can be written as minus, then in bracket minus 8 by 2. So minus 8 is the value of b and 2 is the value of a, so it can be written as minus b by a. Thus we get sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a, and product of zeros is equal to 1 into 3, which is equal to 3, and 3 can be written as 6 by 2. Now 6 is the value of c and 2 is the value of a. Therefore product of zeros is equal to c by a, hence verified. Now let us see the next topic, framing polynomials when sum and product of zeros are given. If alpha and beta are the zeros of any polynomial fx, then fx is equal to k x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. where k is any real number, or fx is equal to k x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Therefore, using this formula, we can write the polynomial when the sum and the product of the zeros of the polynomial are given. Dear students, in the next video, I will discuss some of the examples and questions related to these facts. Thank you everyone for watching the video. And I request you all to please subscribe, like and share my channel so that you can receive the updates of the upcoming videos.